This machine, developed by Prairie West Design, manufactures a resistance welded wire cage used in a high-tech sensor. The operator has already inserted the post and starts the first weld on the winding wire. The start is welded twice and the excess wire tail is broken off. Then the cage starts winding and welding. The next portion of the video is sped up. The machine produces 4 different products. It has 4 different quick change tools, one for each product, that are mounted using 0-point bases. At normal speed again, when the last weld is done, the operator cuts the winding wire, double welds the end, and removes the wire tail. The winding mandrel is collapsed, allowing removal of the completed component. And there you can see the completed, very delicate wire cage. Please feel free to contact us if you have a custom automation need.